welcome to another episode of Razzmatazz with Rashi. And today we have with us Devi Datta Mohanty. She has an inspiring journey of writing, blogging, storytelling, dancing, and also motherhood. So in this episode, you'll come to know about all of this and much more. So welcome, Devi Datta.
Hello, thank you, Rashi, and it's a pleasure and honor to be here on your show. Thanks for inviting me and giving me this wonderful space of sharing my journey. So, all thanks to you. And yes, I'm
Yeah,
here.
I'm actually personally, I admire a lot of creative thing that you are doing right now. So how about you telling our
So much.
audience what all amazing things that you are doing in your life?
To start with, let me start. I'm a mother of twin preschoolers, so they
Yeah.
are my source of inspiration, and everything started off from motherhood and from a corporate girl in the past, now
Yeah.
presently a blogger, a storyteller, and an entrepreneur also. So I would like to say that this pandemic has made our lives very tough and challenging.
Exactly.
But on the contrary, this pandemic has also pushed our boundaries and
Yes,
helped
very
us
true.
to embark on new journeys. You know, storytelling, which is another performing art apart from dancing, and startup of temple art was
Uh-huh.
completely out of the box. I had
Oh.
never thought that I will ever embark on these journeys. But
Uh-huh.
thanks to pandemic in some way, that it pushed
True.
me, and yeah, I came out with Tatha Patpori, which is my YouTube channel, and I
Okay.
launched it a few months back.
Okay. So what is it
It's
about?
Yeah, it's completely. Actually, I started off with Jagannath Storytales because
Okay.
I got opportunity from Lopamudra Mahanti. She's an
Yeah.
international storyteller, and she was the first one. I don't know what she saw in me, and she approached me with that. Why don't you narrate a story in Odia
Oh wow.
for her YouTube channel?
Mm.
And I said, okay, why not? So since we all were facing a very grim time, so I
Yeah.
thought, why not to start with the story
True.
of hope? Yeah, and in Odia, Jagannath is, part of our lives.
Yes.
He is like a human being, and all his niti and chores,
Mm-hmm.
the temple chores or the daily niti which is there, is like a human being only. He gets up,
Okay.
he brushes teeth,
Uh-huh.
have breakfast, or in that sense. So I thought, let's give some sort of hope. And
Yes.
I told a story which is known as Kimbadanti, which is, a
Okay.
story that passes on from generations
Okay.
verbally. It's not
Mm-hmm.
written anywhere. And that was very well appreciated, and it was well received by the audience.
Okay. So where can
So
we find
that,
these stories? Like in your Facebook or you have this in your
yeah,
YouTube
it's
channel?
a YouTube channel. So
Okay.
it's
Great.
Katha Patpori.
Okay.
The name of my channel. Earlier it was Tales of Jagannath, and then I
Okay.
changed because I'm also doing storytelling of other genres. Like I am
Okay.
storytelling for kids, for
Yes.
adults. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a mixture of what. For
Mixture of
earlier
all.
I
Yeah.
thought earlier I thought I'll make two channels, one for
Uh-huh.
that and only for
Yeah.
mythological stories in one. But
Mm-hmm.
then it was too much for me
Yeah.
to handle. So I thought, let me
True.
put it,
Yes. All storytelling
everything,
can come together.
come together. And right now they are in two languages, English
Okay.
and Odia.
Oh yeah.
But
Okay.
I'm also planning to come up with Hindi.
Mm-hmm.
So soon it will be a trilingual thing.
Yes.
So yeah, and then Swarna Utkala also happened, which I never
Mm-hmm.
ever thought. And
Yeah.
this pandemic, because has also affected artists a lot. Their income,
Yes.
and when we saw that Raghurajpur, which is an idyllic village, it's near Puri temple, and
Mm-hmm.
this Pattachitra art has come from Puri temple only.
Okay.
And that, yeah, and that patta means cloth, chitra
Uh-huh.
means painting. So it
Painting.
is done
Okay.
on cloth, and yeah, so there's a very authentic and traditional way of making a canvas first. So
Okay.
first they used to make a canvas, yes, because it has to be preserved, and you can
Yes.
see the painting still date.
Mm-hmm.
So with turmeric, and there's a particular gum,
Mm-hmm.
these all things are being given and first treated, and first a canvas is built, and
Okay.
then the painting.
Painting
And the
is done.
paintings
Okay.
which are being done are all organic. in those
Oh,
days you do not have
yeah,
Fevicril
we do
or
not have a
fabric
synthetic
paint or
things.
yeah, and see the quality and the texture, and they are
Uh-huh.
still there. So actually, there is a period, Anasara period of Jagannath, where people cannot visit temple. So
Okay.
and they cannot go inside. Yeah, Lord has fever and he is
Oh,
there inside. And after 15 days of fever, he revives and he comes out for
okay. So
Rath
because we are
Yatra.
treating the
So
god as a human being, so he's
yes,
going through
yes.
everything.
So those 15 days, people can't see God. So that
Mm,
Pattachitra came into the forefront.
mm.
So that Pattachitra painting of three Lord used to be hung on the main door,
That's it.
Singadwara, and so that people can see that painting
Uh-huh.
and not God. So that's how it
Great.
evolved. And
Yeah,
there are
yeah.
many occasions where all the events and festivals were. So I thought, why not to
No,
revive,
it's
promote?
such interesting
Yeah,
things are there to, the people don't know
yes,
about all these things. So it's
and
such a
you
good
will
thing
not.
that nice initiative that
Yes,
you have taken to share these stories with us.
yeah, because I always wanted that my homeland has got a very rich culture and heritage
Yeah.
regarding cuisine or regarding painting, weaves. Everybody
Mm.
knows about weaves and dance, but
Okay.
Odissi dance. But these things are equally intricate. If you see
True.
Pattachitra, it's very, very intricate.
Mm.
It takes a lot of, like Madhubani is there, Tanjore
Yeah.
painting is there. There's so many other,
Correct.
temple
Other forms
traditions.
of arts
Madhubani is
also.
not, yeah. Madhubani Valli is not a temple tradition, but
Yeah.
Tanjore painting is
Mm.
to some extent. But this painting, if you see, it's very intricate, and
Okay.
it really feels bad when it is dying. So it's a
True.
kind of
Yes,
helping
and
to
when you have the
revive.
knowledge of the art, it becomes our responsibility to
Yeah,
take it forward.
responsibility. Yeah, in whatever way, though, we have just started walking and
Yeah.
try to build our niche and trying to penetrate in the market, and
Yeah.
we are also trying to kind of evolve it with
Okay.
contemporary art with new modern, because you cannot so we are trying to make
Kind of
that
a
art in
fusion.
clutches, yeah,
Okay.
nameplates, giving
Yeah.
a little modern twist so
Okay.
that we can get customers and
Yes, yes, understood.
yeah, so that it reaches to more and more people.
True. So you have an Instagram page dedicated to this, right?
Yeah, it's Swarna
Okay.
Utkala. Yeah, Swarna Utkala means golden Odisha. Utkala means
Uh-huh.
actually Utkrishta Kala.
Utkrist.
That,
Okay.
yes, Odisha was known for its art.
Yeah.
So, mane Shrestha art. So
Mm.
that's how the word Utkala came. So
Okay.
that's why we named it Golden Utkala, Swarna
Nice
Utkala.
name.
And there's a Instagram page, and we are also coming up with our own website.
Oh, great.
But it's in process. And
Yes.
Katha Patpar is there in YouTube.
In YouTube.
So that's all
Nice.
about
And
me.
we'll be sharing all these links at the description of this video. So once you watch the entire episode, go to the links and do follow her. She's coming up with some very creative and very amazing things. So, Debbie, tell me, like, how did writing happen? Like, you have
Uh,
interest in so many different fields. So, when did you start
yeah,
writing?
actually, when I was in Kolkata, I was also struggling with the going through the battle of infertility, and there,
Mhm.
the City of Joy gave me a lot.
Okay.
And there I started with Odissi dancing and giving stage shows. I started teaching children. So,
Okay.
I was having a very good life and a happy
Yeah.
and contented life. Kids are really great stress buster. It's a
True.
different story to have your own and to teach them. But
Yes.
yeah, but I was enjoying that phase.
Mhm.
And, once the transfer happened, we came to Chandigarh, it all went back to dust.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
that made me really feel bad. You can't, with the change of places, because
Mhm.
obviously my husband, as per his job,
Okay.
5 years, 6 years, there's a change. So that, it really hits
It
me
was very
hard. And
frustrating. Yeah.
yeah, because you invest so much of time, effort, and you earn a name also. Like
Yes.
my
True.
both the my teaching as well as my dance was well recognized. I was earning a kind of recognition of
Recognition. Yeah.
getting applause, and you feel good for yourself.
Yeah.
And when people come from the audience and appreciate you,
Mhm.
so it really feels nice. And my students were also doing good. So
Uh-huh.
both the ways, I was leading a very content, and I was satisfied for what I was doing.
Yeah. So you did
And
not
when it
start in
all went,
Chandigarh, like
yeah, Chandigarh,
thought of starting.
pregnancy
Okay.
pregnancy happened. Yeah, I delivered in Kolkata, so
Okay.
twin mothers, so no time. My hands were full, and so that's the reason. Then that you start feeling that okay, fine, I'm mother, I'm happy. That long battle, I'm a victor. What's next? So that
True.
question comes up to you. What's next?
Yeah.
So there, this thing came up that that was the main reason. Let me
Mm,
create something which no one can destroy. Let me create
okay.
something, some creative space in virtual world
Yeah,
for which I just need the internet and a laptop. So
true.
that thing, मैं India में
So
रहूँ,
that's
मैं
how the
बाहर
blog
जाऊँ.
started.
Yes, that's how I blog
Okay.
started because I felt my journey is not an ordinary one. I really
Yeah.
have gone through a lot, and let
Hmm.
me share my experience,
Yes,
my
please share
knowledge.
because there are many women who are actually struggling, and your story will
Yes,
definitely inspire them. Please
yeah,
share.
yeah. Many platforms have appreciated. I think Mom Pressure, there was a special
Hmm.
feature. Even Women's Web also there was a
Okay.
special feature of my story and my journey. And yes, I'm also coming up with a book. So
Oh,
let's see
great.
how it will be. But
Yes, please, please come up with it.
yeah, it's in a slow process though. It's
Yeah,
not
it
picking up. But yes,
takes
I'm
time.
planning
No
to
worries.
planning to end it this year or maybe next year. For
Great, great.
sure.
Yes, you have to actually
And
set a target and then focus on
seriously,
that book.
seriously, yeah. Unless until you set a target, no, it
Hmm.
keeps on dragging.
Going on.
So yeah, the journey was long, but
Yeah.
that's how the writing came up to me because I thought when I visited clinics and the treatment procedure is
Mhm.
always long. You get to have a conversation with your fellow patients, and
Mhm.
there I found there was a lot of ignorance.
Okay.
And we all believe knowledge is power. At least knowledge will give you to take
Yes,
a decision, if not the best,
true.
at least
At
to
least people
some
would be
extent.
aware of the things happening.
Yes, right. It's very important to be.
Yeah.
See, you cannot be having full knowledge. Obviously, you cannot be a
True.
doctor, or you
Yeah.
cannot have that medical science
Mhm.
complete knowledge. But yes, but to some extent, you should know what's happening.
Exactly.
Problem is with you. Problem is
Yeah.
with your partner. What's wrong anatomically, mentally? Because
Yes.
this entire process of infertility treatment is very
Mhm.
exhaustive in all ways,
Okay.
physically, mentally, and
Mentally.
financially.
Yeah.
Financially also. So there's
Mhm.
three things are there. So it's very important to cope up with three things, and there are three different aspects of it because
True.
it really burns you out.
Yeah.
So it's important how you deal with it. And struggling with infertility is like dealing with 5 stages of grief every single
Oh.
month. You deny,
Yeah.
you bargain, get angry, cry, and then
Mhm.
accept. Pick it all up yourself and then start
That
all over again.
again.
It's like a vicious cycle
Yeah.
every single month because with every menstruation cycle there is a treatment,
Yeah.
and you were just stuck in that cycle. So it's really
Okay.
difficult.
So this
It's
went
not
on for
that
like how long? How many years?
I faced it for 10 long years.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
And
Long time.
initially, obviously, you don't feel it because you feel at home. Okay, we are
Mhm.
fine. You always think, you're fine.
There's always a
Things will
hope,
happen.
like, yeah,
Yes.
maybe next
But
month it will be
when
fine.
5 years crosses,
Yeah.
you feel that yes, there is some problem. And
Mm.
in my case, so that's why my first writer was also on causes of infertility. In
Okay.
my case, there was nothing, specific in terms of medical science that okay,
Yeah.
your uterus is not right or your tube is
Mm.
not right. It was everything right as per surgery or as per
Okay.
tests that were all conducted.
Yeah.
So there is also another section, that's why I have mentioned in my post also, which is
Hmm.
unknown, and it
Okay.
is there also. So there is
Hmm.
no concrete reason or the reason that doctors have been
Okay.
able to understand, but still then
Hmm.
things don't click.
Yeah.
Even having the best of anatomical feature or
Hmm.
hormones or whatever. So that is also there. So there are
Okay.
many aspects of this journey.
Hmm.
So coming out from it was is not impossible, but
Yeah.
then it takes time to heal.
Hmm.
And what I felt that three things that helped me is first acceptance. You
Yeah.
have to accept.
True.
That doesn't come easy. Many people will come and pour all gyans and advices.
Yeah.
Even your doctor also says that
Mm.
first, release your mind, be
Correct.
empty here, don't expect. But
Yeah.
it doesn't happen. You that
Not
void
easy.
always
Yes.
Yeah, that void always makes you alert, and it's always
Mm-hmm.
at the back of your mind. So, there was a laparoscopic surgery, and it was for 30 minutes, but
Mm-hmm.
it went on for 5 hours.
Oh my God.
Some negligence on the part of
Oh,
anesthetist. I had many such
yeah.
uh,
Stories to tell.
incidents. Yes, so much to tell. But this incident actually changed me.
Okay.
So yeah, on the table I was gone. My because of the shoot up of BP, it
Mhm.
reached almost 220. So heart
Oh,
stroke, choked,
oh my
and
God.
pulmonary edema, breathing. So I was almost about to go say goodbye, but then I had
Mhm.
to come for your show
Yeah, of
and to be
course, you
here
had
around.
to.
And so I survived. So that actually helped us to take a decision. My husband was okay, fine, enough. I don't want anything.
Yeah,
And I also somewhere felt, let's stop chasing this dream.
correct.
Maybe it's not there
Not
in our
happening.
destiny.
Yeah.
First is acceptance. Yes, you have to accept ki, yes, there might be some problem.
Yeah.
Might be destiny is not for us. This
Mhm.
this mother is
And you
not for
guys
me.
tried for so long.
Yes, tried for
Yes.
now. We tried our best, and I had gone through a lot. Though my husband never, forced me. I'm very, very lucky to have a very supportive partner, very
Yeah.
supportive
That is very
in-laws. They were
important.
the Yes, very, and I'm the only, daughter-in-law. So you
Oh,
can imagine the
yeah.
kind of pressure. And, and my
Yes. Oh,
father-in-law is also single. Like he's the
okay.
single child. His son is also one
Yeah.
single. Though I've got two sister-in-law, but
Mhm.
one son.
Yeah.
So, but they came up with the idea of adoption. They were the first one
Okay.
to say no.
Yeah.
That's a great thing. We are all common. We all give birth, but you will be
Yes.
uncommon. My mother-in-law came and said to me, and I'm
Yeah, that's so
always
nice.
in yes, and in all my wherever I get a chance to speak,
Yeah.
I speak it. That is, I was lucky, but in spite of being that lucky, the void was still there.
Yes.
I
So
always felt
internally,
that
you
way.
will continue to feel
Yes.
like that.
So I imagine the plight of other women who have to,
Mhm.
fight two battles, one with yourself and one with
One with
others,
a
society,
family,
relatives, family, everything.
yes.
So it's a tough battle. So what
Mm.
I would like to say through your show that, three things for any battle, my battle, okay, that was also battle of loss and pain. So for
Yeah.
any battle of loss and pain, three things actually work. One is acceptance.
Mm-hmm.
You have to accept your loss or
True.
pain or whatever. First is acceptance right from within. Yes, this
Yes.
has happened. Let's accept it. That is half done. Second is
Yes.
what I felt and what worked for me also is
Mm-hmm.
positive distraction. Positive
Okay.
distraction from here.
Mm-hmm.
You have to follow your passion, whatever your heart makes
Mm.
you feel happy, a
Yeah, you cannot
content
always think
person.
about the same thing.
Yes, you can. That distraction is very important,
Very
whatever.
important.
So, that point of time, I really felt I'm battered. I have a battered body physically, mentally. I need
Mm-hmm.
to change myself, heal myself first.
Yeah.
And luckily, I always wanted to learn Odissi, and I found a
Okay.
teacher nearby.
Yeah.
Yes, that helped me a lot, because that's
And
my
you already had a
passion.
passion for dancing.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
I had learned Kathak because I was there in
Okay.
Jharkhand, so no
Yeah.
chance of Odissi. So now when I got a chance in Kolkata, I completely immersed myself. So that healed me a
Nice.
lot. I started doing stage
Mm.
performance and all. So it really helped me healing from inside. And
Okay.
physically also my metabolism was also,
Improved
changed,
here. Yeah.
improved. So, there was a healing from inside. So the second thing, and I started teaching kids. Kids are
Okay.
another
Yes.
stress buster,
Stress
great
buster.
stress
True.
buster. So that helped me to heal a lot.
Okay.
And third thing, because of this, the dream that I was chasing, that
Yeah.
blindly you were following something, that slowly faded. So I was empty,
Mm.
and I started feeling all positive things here. So when
Oh.
you start feeling positive things here, it starts showing in your
Reflects in
body,
your
in your
body as well.
body
Yes.
language, your face, your smile, everything.
Yeah.
And the fourth thing, which is invisible, but it
Yeah.
works for each and every one of us, is hope and faith.
Oh,
That
yes.
was there throughout my journey. Yeah,
Throughout.
I'd also written an article
Mhm.
on faith versus medical science,
Okay.
and it really helped me out. So,
Yeah.
these four things are, I believe, the four steps to come out from any battle of loss. And when this all happens,
Mm.
and there's a desire deep down within you, the universe also conspires to materialize
Yes.
it. And you will believe or not, when I was healing, we got a contact out of the
Uh-huh.
blue from the doctor
Okay.
who brought miracle in our life, Dr. Sudeep Basu. I'll never forget.
Uh-huh.
He's
Yeah.
still in touch with me. A
Okay.
great warm, yeah, he's a very warm person.
Uh-huh.
And he really took very good care because my husband was not there in the entire
Okay.
pregnancy period. He was in Chandigarh, I was in Kolkata.
Oh.
So I'm very grateful to that
Mm.
person. And
And then twins happened.
yes, he really took care as a father. He knew that my
Mm.
husband is not there. I'm with my in-laws. My in-laws are aged, and
Mm.
and it was a high risk pregnancy also. It was twin
Yes.
pregnancy. It was a high risk pregnancy, and I was all alone.
Yeah.
And it had several hiccups also. I would not say it was
Okay.
a
Smooth
plain
one.
smooth 9 months
Not.
journey. I was admitted in hospital,
Uh-huh.
spotting months together. So there were a lot of hiccups. That's
Mm.
another story altogether. So,
So you should
it is,
definitely come up with a book. So you can put all
yeah,
your experiences in that.
sure, that's on the way. So,
Hmm.
that thing started falling. And when I look back, it was, as if all the events were planned, one after the
Mm.
other, tuck, tuck, tuck. And,
Yeah.
I delivered two healthy twin babies, a boy and a girl.
How
So,
nice.
what I feel, yeah, that for any journey, the initial phase is always tough. But if you
Yes.
know how to sail through it,
True.
the yes, the end is always light.
Yeah.
You
It
will always
prepares you
receive
for
light.
the end
Yes,
result.
it
Makes you
prepares you.
stronger.
It takes time. Yeah. No books,
Yes.
no gyan, no
Nothing
advices.
works.
Nothing works. The one who can fill up the void is only you. The void,
Yourself.
only that's only you are the only one to fill that void.
Yeah.
No one else. So that's
True.
the
I mean, you
struggle.
have been
And
an inspiration to so many, and after listening to your story, I'm sure many would come to follow you and reach out to you. But like, where do you get your inspiration from? Like for your all the creative stuff that you're doing, you're also coming up with new things, your website, your writing, dancing. So what is that inspires you and keeps you going?
actually, I would say a genuine comment.
Uh-huh.
When a genuine mail or a genuine comment comes, maybe that reader, I won't say I am having a great fan following or a
Yeah.
lot of followers, but that single, comment when it comes
Mm.
regarding a article or your storytelling, then you feel that yes, someone is there
Yes.
to hear me out.
True.
I would like to say the Mom Press editor also,
Mhm.
when I wrote the article as published in Mom Press, after reading that she also felt, and she
Okay.
gave a special feature to that on
Yeah.
Tuesday Tickles, I think, or Tuesday Vibes. There was some
Mhm.
hashtag going on that time, and she gave a special feature to my story. So it feels good that you are
Yeah.
inspiration to so many, and people are there because yes, because this infertility battle is still a hush hush. Nobody
Yes.
comes out in India. It's still not openly discussed. It's still
True.
discussed in closed doors.
People are still not
And
aware what to do, where to go,
not aware,
and they
even
just
in
give up.
couples also. You don't
Yeah.
discuss it very openly.
Openly. Yeah.
Not in all, but yes,
Mm.
I know in few couples it happens. So it's all, and that woman that who goes through it, it's a silent battle
Yeah. That's
with no
true.
one. So all this digital platforms, digital space, now many Facebook
Hmm.
groups are also coming up with this, Indian Facebook
Okay.
groups, and even a lot of Instagram pages are coming up with. I think that's really motivates you each day
Mm.
when you see a inspirational quote from
Yes.
the one who has already faced it,
And you
of
know,
how
come
to
to know
go
that you are
about
not
it.
alone, that so many people are
Yes,
struggling
you're not
together.
alone. Yes,
Yes.
you're struggling together, and you come to share knowledge also, because
Yes.
what I feel, right kind of treatment, right doctor is also
Mm.
very
Yes,
essential,
of course.
and
That
that's a
matters the most.
process. Yes, very essential, because yes, doctors are God sent and
True.
they're God figure. That's
Mm.
true, but some institutions don't do it in that way. They are still
Yes.
commercial, and uh, without not finding the right reason or the root cause analysis,
Mm.
they just follow a protocol: step 1, step 2,
Yeah.
step 3, step 4, and
Because
done. So
everybody
that
is
won't give
different.
you
You know,
the,
you cannot just have the
yes,
same
everybody,
treatment for
yeah.
everyone.
So how to save yourself? The
Mm.
only thing is that knowledge, experience from
Yes.
others, if someone, or I also thought of in my book, I also coming up with good number of clinics that follow
Okay.
ethical protocol and all,
Yes, from your
because
experience, you can actually give on
yes,
all the
yes,
hands-on
because
experience
we
you had.
have also
Yeah.
hunted a lot
Yeah.
and throughout the India, because we keep moving. So it was in Himachal, Delhi,
Okay. All
Chandigarh,
the places.
Bhubaneswar. Finally, Kolkata was the one who gave
Same
us all
here.
the joy. Yes, city of joy.
Yeah.
And so that's how
That's how
hopefully
it
my
happened.
journey helps and inspires
It will, it will.
in.
It has already started inspiring so many people. Like the people are reading your blog and like you're doing so many things like dancing, your storytelling, YouTube. So what is your favorite thing now? Like, or is there something else that you really enjoy doing apart from all these things?
Yeah, I'm exploring dancing is also a
Yeah.
performing art, and even storytelling also.
Okay.
So I thought always, storytelling, just storytelling. But when you storytell, there's a
Mm.
lot of authenticity and lot of twist that a storyteller gives. Lot of layers are there,
Yeah.
that you have to find out from that story,
Yeah.
and then you give it to the audience. So stories are also very powerful, and they are very good healing
Mm.
machine, I would say, healing tools.
Yes.
And when we are in trouble, or when we are going through a loss or a pain, or when someone comes and tells a story about
Yeah.
himself, or someone, don't you feel good, don't you feel
True.
motivated?
Yes,
Okay, and
actually.
you get a path to follow also. Okay, yes, I
Mm.
should do this or do
Yeah.
that, or let it go.
So your stories are mostly like the mythological one or like for kids?
Yeah, no,
What?
I started off with mythology, with
Okay.
Lord Jagannath story, and that was the name of my YouTube channel, also
Uh-huh.
Tales of Jagannath.
Yeah.
But then slowly I'm also exploring the other genres of storytelling,
Okay.
like kids,
Uh-huh.
adult storytelling. So
Okay.
recently I did a healing story for Maya Katha. And
Okay.
I would say, yes, my storytelling journey has got a lot to do with Maya Katha. Maya Katha is a beautiful
Yeah.
platform founded by Meera V.
Yes.
Bharat. And I'm happy and proud to be a part of the core team out there,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
and yeah, being associated with that platform from the beginning. So
Okay.
last month only I did a healing story on Let It
Mm-hmm.
Come and Let It Go, which was
Oh,
on
nice.
loss and pain.
Uh-huh.
So just there are few things which are not in the control of anyone.
True.
It has to happen. It
Yeah.
happens. So you just can't grudge yourself or hold it for long.
Mm-hmm.
You have to leave it. You have to
True.
let it go. So
Oh, nice.
that was a Saudi Arabia true incident. Few people say it's a folklore, few people say it's a
Uh-huh.
true incident, but it's a beautiful story. So
Okay.
that was also very well appreciated by the
Mm.
audience. So I'm thankful. So that's how
Yeah.
presently I'm enjoying. Apart from
Yeah, true.
writing, dancing, storytelling.
Storytelling
So
is the
that's a new journey I'm embarking on,
yeah.
and exploring it, knowing
Good,
the
good. Keep it.
nuisance.
And you are doing so nicely, people are enjoying listening to you. So how did you come up with
Yes.
this Swarna Utkala? Like, tell us something about that. Like, what made you think about
So
what exactly or what
Swarnaputra,
your services you're
yeah,
offering?
yeah. Actually, last pandemic, as I told, what pandemic is still going on
Yeah.
well, but last year it all started off. So I just read an article where we came across that Raghurajpur, which is actually the center of all Patachitra artists,
Mm-hmm.
all the GI tags and all, they're known Patachitra artists.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very near to Puri temple. So there, around 140 families, and they're badly hit because of this corona, because they are not getting
Mm-hmm.
customers and everything is
All the
blocked.
artists
So
are.
yeah, I felt really bad. Though there are other artists also in
Mm-hmm.
Bhubaneswar, you will find in nearby villages of Puri.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought,
So
why
like
not
you
to
are
come up with
connecting with them or like you are
yes,
creating new
yes.
art and
Because
selling.
no, I'm not
Okay.
creating art because it takes time and it
Mm-hmm.
takes a lot of experience. So
Yeah.
all the
To learn
artists
that.
with whom we yes, yeah, learn, and you need that hand, or else it will take a lot of time. Suppose
Yeah.
I take 5 hours or 6 hours or maybe 7 hours, and being a
Mm-hmm.
mother of two, it's not
Yeah.
possible to give that much of time. But
Yes.
since they are also mother, they
Mm-hmm.
also have young kids, but they have been doing this for
Yeah.
15-20 years,
They have the
so they do it
experience.
faster. Yeah, they have
True.
the experience. Now they have
Okay.
that hand which is
Mm-hmm.
seasoned. So, they do it faster. So we have collaborated with the
Okay.
artist.
Okay.
Yeah. And, she's a
So you're
mother.
actually giving a
And
platform to the artists, the white
yes,
pandemic.
yes.
Oh, that's
And
so
we
nice.
want to showcase them, but,
Yeah.
they are somehow hesitant because they keep getting from other people also. So
Mm-hmm.
they don't want to come to the limelight. So, those artists are, they're very experienced, so down to earth, and, so knowledgeable about entire Patachitra journey and
Mm-hmm.
how things work. So it's really good to, and they also support other people. They also have
Mm-hmm.
assistants, or, people.
Yeah,
There is a main artist and,
true.
sub
Entire team
artists.
works together,
The entire team works. So, you feel happy that you are also supporting them
supporting
also,
so many
indirectly or
families.
directly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so many families attached with this work. And they have been doing this work. So that is their bread and butter.
Yeah.
So you feel good. So we are
Mm.
also planning to come up, and now I'm also like apparels is there, and home
Mm-hmm.
decor items are there. Like
Okay.
apparels, we customize sarees and
Mm.
dupattas, skirts,
Okay.
whatever, kurti, both
Yeah.
men and women. Apart from apparels, we also started off with home decor
Home
items,
decor.
like
Yeah.
yes,
Nice.
anything nameplate. This masala dabba we came up with the
Yeah.
kitchen. You can have a, yeah, or old, the traditional arts, the spice box especially.
Uh-huh.
So we are coming up with all those, giving a little modern twist for
Okay.
present generation.
Yeah.
And now we are also planning that's it's in process. We are coming with hand painted, handmade jewelry.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
Mm.
so that's also in fashion nowadays. The
Yeah, actually,
long
once you
ones,
create a
the
platform, you keep coming up with new ideas,
yes,
and you
you,
include all of
yeah,
them in that.
you surely. And these days, the content and the fashion is moving so fast that you
Mm-hmm.
have to keep a pace with that. You
Yeah.
cannot go on with your old stuff or old product. You have to, bring that newness,
Yeah.
and every time. So new thing, and you have to see what works also with
Yes.
your audience. So we are in a
So this is
learning
your solo
process.
venture, or you're like
No, no, no,
having
it's
an?
not my solo venture. Yes, I have come along with my sisters. So we
Okay.
have
Nice.
bootstrapped. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we are in initial phase, and we have bootstrapped, and we have also filed for GST. So
Mm.
it's almost done towards the end. Verification is required. So slowly we'll also venture into big platforms like Amazon and other
Okay.
apps,
Yes.
Flipkart, and yeah,
Yeah, a
Spotify.
lot of
So
promotion, marketing, everything will be required, Especially
yes,
when it's
for
the initial phase, you have to make it
yes.
visible
And
and
there is a
people will come.
solo WhatsApp group also.
Mm-hmm.
There's a Facebook page also, but Insta we are more
Active
active.
there.
And
Okay.
yeah, like there was a little slowdown regarding all this lockdown, because
Yeah.
it's really people ask me, how do you manage? You three sisters are in a three different
Different
parts.
places.
Like
Yeah.
yes, my younger sister, she's in US.
Oh,
My
different time
middle
zones you're saying.
yes, middle one is in Hyderabad, and we luckily we
Mm.
both are in India.
Yeah.
So I in Bangalore. So we cooperate more, and she
Mm.
deals with more of technical stuff like
Okay.
building a website
Websites and
and
all.
GST. All those technical
Nice.
aspects is her job,
So good if
and
you have all the
design.
help at home itself. You don't have to go anywhere else.
Yeah, trying our best. So that's how we are communicating. And our inventory and artists are in Odisha. So
Ah.
it's a lot of phone calls happening. But I would say my
Nice.
artists are very cooperative, and
Mm.
because at times this lockdown, it's very difficult to procure raw materials also.
Yeah.
So they help us in procuring raw materials also. And
Nice.
they also help us in painting. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm thankful to them,
Yeah.
and very down to earth person. So I'm feeling good that
True.
yes, in a way we are helping and bringing my own home
Yes.
state and
And because you're
the
capable of giving them a platform, then why not? It will help so
yes,
many people.
I know.
And
Yes,
slowly it
I
will
think
grow, of
what
course, definitely it will grow.
yeah, but I what I think it's all an idea, which is like a seed,
Yes.
and then it's all passion, hard work, dedication
Yes.
that
It keeps adding on to that.
keeps that, yeah, adding on and helps that seed to grow.
True.
So it all depends on you how you
How wonderful.
drag it
Maybe it
and
was really so nice talking to you and talking about the various creative stuff that you're doing. And I would request the audience to please check the description and we'll share all the links there. So please follow her work. You can reach out to her directly if you need any help, if you need any kind of inspiration. She's very sweet and very approachable. And Debbie, I'm so thankful to you that you took out time and came to my show. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Rashi. I think I shared a lot, but it was really, I opened up myself a lot, something
Yes.
which did not come out for so many days or so many years.
I'm so glad you did this.
Yeah, I was glad to share it all, and hopefully your audience finds it inspirational, and
True, they will.
you know,
And wish you
and
all the
it
best
helps.
with everything that you're doing, and definitely come up with the book. So maybe next season we'll talk about the book more.
Yeah. Thank you
Okay,
for
thank
providing this
you.
wonderful space, and it was really a very nice conversation.
My pleasure. It was
Thank you,
a wonderful pleasure having you on my show. Thank you.
thank you, thanks a lot.